Hey everyone, my name is Giri and I am doing my master's in information science and technology. This is my final project proposal. It's called the Smart Customer Retention System. It's basically an AI-powered system that helps companies predict which customer may leave and give smart ideas to stop that from happening. So first, what is churn? It's just a fancy word for customer loss. Like when someone cancels their phone plan, closes a bank account, or stops shopping online things, that's churn. My project focused on predicting this early so the business can act before they lose the customers. Now, the problem is most companies don't even know who is planning to leave. They spend a lot of money on random offers and still lose good customers. So the challenge is to build a system that predicts churn accurately and helps the company retain the right people without any wasting of money. His main goals are simple. Predict which customers are at risk, find out why they might leave, and recommend what action to take. I also added an ROI feature that calculates how much value each action brings. Finally, I want to make it a real interactive AI app. So just a dataset project. It's not just a dataset project, it's an interactive AI app. For these, I used a IBM Telco customer churn dataset, which has over 7,000 customer records. It includes things like age, contract type, payment methods, and monthly charges. I also added a few extra columns like satisfaction scores and support calls to make it more practical. I started by cleaning the data and doing some exploration to understand patterns. Then I built different machine learning models, logistic regressions, random forest, and XGBoost. I also used SHAP values to see which factors actually cause customers to churn. I built the project using Python for data analysis, task as a background, and Streamlit for front end. For visuals, I use Plotly and Power BI, and everything runs on the simple SQLite database. Here, how it works. The user enters customer detail, the model predicts the churn probability, and the system suggests what to do next. The dashboard shows the overall churn rate, risk levels, and ROI of each action so that we don't lose our customers at the end by predicting the churn. Once the model runs, it shows who likely to churn, which causing it, and what can fix it. It also divides customers into low, medium, and high risk groups, so the company knows where to focus more. Here, this is a small example from the ROI part. It compares the options like discount, free upgrades, or loyalty calls. Shows how much each costs and how effective it is. This help manager choose the best way to keep the customers within overspending and so that the companies or whatever it is, they don't lose their customers by predicting the high ROI. The project took about 8 weeks. We can start with the data cleaning, then module building, then move on to the creating the API and dashboard. The final weeks were all about testing, adding ROI calculations, and preparing the presentation so that the data will be uploaded and then it continues to user behavior and gives a good ROI. In the future, the system can be linked to real company databases like CRMs. It can also keep learning as new data comes in and can be used in other areas like banking or retail too. I'm also planning it to host in online for the live use. To sum up, my smart customer retention system shows how AI can help business understanding customers better. Create who might leave and takes smart steps to retain them. Thank you so much for listening and have a good day.